Hey everybody, One Mechanic here, Dave. Today, a little different. Tool haul still, but coming from the home box in my very crowded garage. But today's upgrades include some socket holders that I picked up from a car show for 15 bucks a piece, which is a heck of a deal. And then I bought a new pry bar. Alright, stay tuned, see what I got. Here we go. I have these two wrenches, or I'm sorry, socket racks, in my home box. And these are decent socket holders. These came from Rural King, I believe. I think the red ones came from Rural King and the black ones came from Harbor Freight. I mean, they're decent and stuff like that, but I wanted something that I could take out of the box because I don't know if you can tell, but these are really wobbly, and especially with the weight in them. And you see how they're all loosey-goosey and stuff. And these are my great neck sockets, which I bought many years ago, and they have been great, honestly. But I think I have a better solution. Be right back. So I was at a local car show and I picked these up. These are magnetic, standard SAE. And as you see, I only paid $15 a piece for them. Anywhere I looked on Amazon or eBay, they were at least 30 bucks a piece plus shipping. Granted, there were some cooler colors in these, but I'm looking more for function than looks. So I got two basically for the price of one and no shipping. Let me change these over, we'll see how they look. Be right back. Here's what they look like afterwards. And these are magnetic in the sockets and on that. And wow. Okay. Strong magnet. But as you see, nice and strong. There we go. I think it came out really nice. And just so you guys know, if you're not familiar, Great Neck is the parent company that owns OEM Tools. I bought these, I don't know, 10 years ago from AutoZone or Advance. It came in a kit. And I was rebuilding my home set. And, I mean, I don't use them every day. Very little wear in them. But they have been super nice sockets for what I've needed. So yeah, so that's my home box update. I'll show you what it looks like here in the drawer here, just a second. Here they are in their new home. Now, just so you know, they're about as deep, but the magnetic ones are longer. Metric and standard. They're about the same depth, they're a little bit deeper, but they are definitely longer. But I'm a lot happier with this. These are a lot more solid in the case. And then I can just pull these out A lot easier without losing them. So another upgrade I got for my home box is some hyper tough pry bars. Now these are the two that I currently have. You can see I definitely use them, and these two have been awesome, and I've been trying to get a bigger one, and every time I go to get one, I got these from our local Walmart and they've been out. But today I was able to get the 36-inch Prybar. Now what's neat about this is one that it has a black handle and a thick bar, maybe 3/4 of an inch, 5/8, probably 5/8 bar on it, and look how big and meaty that is. I don't know if you guys know, but these are made in the USA. I bought these for my home box, but honestly, I think these would be great for a working mechanic in their regular box. Matter of fact, I would have taken this one home, or I am home, taking it to work if I already didn't have some Cornwell pry bars. But this is for my home box. I don't have, this one was my biggest one right here up until now, but I wanted to share that with you as well. Hope you guys enjoyed my home box update with the socket holders and the pry bar. If you guys have any questions, ask them below. One Mechanic, Dave out from his house. Take care. Ciao.